Once again, welcome to my channel. Now, in the presentation skills, when we are addressing a group, we have come to the level of audience. Now, we are going to come in the involvement where we are going to add some management games to involve themselves. Or if there is a quality circle meeting, you add them, give them some responsibilities, you ask them to do some action plans. Or if you are going to conduct any management committee meeting, give them some small responsibilities so that they feel get involved in that. And next level is the time management. If you are going to make a time management as an habit, you will be able to do this properly. If there is no time management, you will be continuing with your communication skills where there will be no end results. You should be binded with the time management. If your management committee meeting is going to conduct only for 15 minutes, yes, it is not more than 15 minutes at all. If you go for an example, if I tell you, if there is a quality circle presentation, it will be only for 13 minutes and remaining 2 minutes will be for question and answer. So whatever you wanted to say is only for 12 minutes only, and remaining 2 minutes will be for your question and answers. Like that, if you are going to plan your time management, you will become successful person. Then there is a possibility that when you are going to talk to a group, there will be questions, there will be negative questions. So if you are going to avoid that, then you will be able to continue with that. If you avoid the argument, you can say that yes, we will answer the question, but let me talk first, then whatever your questions are there, we will be able to address it for the next time. Or you can say after the completion of this communication. And second thing is, people are, when they are talking, they move lot of area from this plate to that place, this plate to that place. That should not be done. If you are making movement, people will get attracted on your dress, your working, your way of talking, or your way of, so it will get distracted. They will not concentrate on what you are going to talk. They will watch your movements only. If they are going to watch your movements, they will be distracted about your communication, what you are going to talk. Then next thing is, you have to reach to the people. You have to reach to the people, their consensus. Go and reach them. Reach means you are not supposed to go and reach them personally and keep a hand on his shoulder and whether you understood or not. That is not reaching. You have to reach them. I mean, in other words, whatever you are going to tell them, it should reach to their hearts, or it should reach to their brains so that they can really use them. And you have to express concern about what you are talking, how much useful for him, and how much it is useful for as a student to get more marks, how much it is useful for your party circle to solve the problem, how much it is going to useful to production meeting to achieve the production targets, how much you are going to express concern to reduce the rejection percentage in your quality meeting. So it depends upon the situation and the circumstance where you are going to express your concern. So finally, when you talk, you may go around the bushes, but your link should be the main issue. If you are going to talk on a subject, you can give n number of examples to convince the people to come to your requirement or come to your conclusion, but always you should link it to the main issue only. Yes, you can give n number of examples in your experience, but again, you should not forget the issue. Then in between, you may have to ask questions. If you don't ask the questions, it will become only one-way communications. Whatever you say, they hear, and then after that, they will go out. So there will be no question and answers. Some people, they come only for hearing. They are good listeners. They listen and they go away. They don't ask questions. What we require is they should be able to ask questions so that you can prepare yourself for the addition of what you are going to present. Or make them asking questions will create an anxiety, or you can create some ideas in their minds. If they ask some questions, yes, they will create some ideas. So how you can work on that? Then you are also supposed to get answers from the audience. If you are going to talk any small audience, you are supposed to get answers also. And then you are supposed to conclude with where you have started and where you have reached. All those things you are supposed to make a concluding statement of how many times, how much time you have utilized to convince these people, or how much time and money we have spent on this. Because if you are going to conduct a small training of 4 hours in for the 20 people, it will be going to thousands, because all those 20 people 4 hours, if they work, the cost of 4 hours will be running into lakhs for managers, running into thousands for supervisors, running into thousands for workmen. Plus, they will not be at workplace. So you have to conclude them that so much money we are spending on training or on meeting or in classroom or in a gathering, so that people should understand the importance of it. So this is about the presentation skills through knowledge, through sharing. I request you all to subscribe. There are few more training programs which I am going to conduct in future are like this. I'm going to talk on communication skills. I'm going to talk on time management, housekeeping or 5 years. 7 QC tools is a big topic. There will be 7 QC tools where each tool will be taught for 1 hour in detail. And then Kaizen is there, then right first time or first time right, then Pokayoke, then stress management, then inventory management, and also the quality management systems topics of ISO, TS, EMS. Like the standards requirement are there, awareness to the statistical process control, to measurement system analysis, to whatever the requirement, internal auditor, whatever is there, that also I am going to deliver you without any investment for the future requirement of the industries. So once again, I request all the organizations to utilize this opportunity and save money. Only thing is you are supposed to do is you have to buy an Android TV or you can use the LCD projector with internet facility. Bring the audience, convey them the training message what I am going to give them, and if they agree, okay. If there is a detailed training program, yes, and they are available, or a lot of faculties are also. I'm not saying that utilize me only. There are a lot of faculties which are available in the market. They can come and train you personally. This is a training which I'm going to provide you with free of cost, no investment at all. And once again, thank you for patient hearing. I convey my Happy New Year good wishes to all of you. And once again, I request to please subscribe my channel. Thank you very, very much. Good day.